To install the script, first head to tampermonkey.net and follow the steps for your preferred browser. We'll install the script using Firefox today, but the steps are similar for other browsers. You'll need to allow the script to install itself. And once that's done, you'll be ready to install the Canvas integration tool. To install the integration tool, navigate in your browser directly to solveabet.com/html/canvasabet.user.js. Going to that link directly will launch a new tab prompting you to review the tool before installing it. Ensure that the publisher is SolveABET LLC and that the source is the correct URL. Once installed, you can click on the TamperMonkey icon and select Dashboard at any time to see all installed scripts. Once you've installed the Canvas integration tool, it will automatically activate whenever you visit a gradebook in Canvas. You know it's working when the TamperMonkey script lights up. To activate the script, simply click the ABET tool button and authenticate with your university email. This is so that the ABET management platform gets your credentials and connects properly to Canvas. Select your department and the step will be complete. If you ever select the wrong email or department, simply click the Exit ABET tool and then ABET tool again, and that will repeat the process. Once you're connected, the integration tool will walk you through a few short questions to help you map an assignment to your desired ABET outcome and submit both the outcome report and the outcome data for that outcome. Start by selecting the assignment that you want to map to the outcome. If you've already integrated iClicker with Canvas, your iClicker data will show up as assignments in this gradebook and can be selected like any other assignment to be mapped to an outcome. For more details on integrating iClicker with Canvas, see the links in the description. After selecting our assignment, we'll select the semester that we're working in and then select the outcome itself. Next, you'll be shown the default ABET scale. This shows what scores on a 0 to 100 scale map to a 1, a 2, etc. Every score at 3 or above is considered satisfactory, and you can adjust any of these scales here if you'd like. After that, you'll be shown the overview statistics for the options you selected and asked a few last questions for the outcome report. These questions and the data will then be submitted to the ABET management platform, and you'll be all set with your outcome report.